Hi, I know we are in a situation where life seems to have slowed down. If you are a student, you already know that things are uncertain. If there are exams, you work hard. And if there are no exams, you relax. To be frank, life gives you a real exam. Situations test you. People test you. Everything in life gives you a test. So you should always be going ahead with your smart work. I would like you to watch a short video that helps you keep motivated. Are you ready? Watch the story and I'll see you on the other side. Life is a do-it-yourself project. An elderly carpenter was ready to retire. He told his employer contractor of his plans to leave the house building business to live a more leisurely life with his wife and enjoy his extended family. He would miss the paycheck each week, but he wanted to retire. They could get by. The contractor was sorry to see his good worker go and asked if he could build just one more house as a personal favor. The carpenter agreed, but over time it was easy to see that his heart was not in his work. He resorted to shoddy workmanship and used inferior materials. It was an unfortunate way to end a dedicated career. When the carpenter finished his work, his employer came to inspect the house. Then he handed the front door key to the carpenter and said, "This is your house, my gift to you." The carpenter was shocked. What a shame! If he had only known that he was building his own house, he would have done it all so differently. So it is with us. We build our lives a day at a time, often putting less than our best into the building. Then with a shock we realize we have to live in the house we have built. If we could do it over, we would do it much differently. But you cannot go back. You are the carpenter. And every day you hammer a nail, place a board, or erect a wall. Someone once said, life is a do-it-yourself project. Your attitude and the choices you make today help build the house you will live in tomorrow. So, build wisely. Okay, I hope this story has enough in it to motivate you. Believe that every little thing that you do will help you in creating your future. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.